Hello, I am Dr. S.M. Raju, former IAS officer and inventor of herbal formulations for incurable health disorders like liver cirrhosis, pancreatitis, uncontrollable diabetes, etc. Now, I am going to give the testimony of pancreatitis patient who suffered like anything with stomach pain, back pain, no appetite, etc. His name is Firoz Khan. His lipase was 216, amylase was 150. And you cannot imagine, in 1 month, lipase has comes down to 26 and amylase has comes down to 16. And in 7 days, his 12 years pain is totally disappeared. This is the power of Neo Ayurveda and miracle drinks treatment protocol which I have invented. As you know that in the world there is no science for healing pancreatitis patients. This treatment protocol across the globe anybody can follow and get the same results without any variations. That's why I am calling this is science and you are the angels. You have to disseminate this information to give hopes to the people who have lost hopes. Thank you. What is your good name?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಫಿರೋಜ್ ಖಾನ್.
Yes, you better to speak in English because the whole world will going to enjoy it.
Hi to everyone. This is Firoz Khan from Raju district of Singanur Taluk from Karnataka.
Age?
My age is right now 32.
Wonderful. Today is 30th
Recently
October
I celebrated my birthday on 24th of October because of I think Dr. S.M. Raju sir, because of him. I'm feeling very special. I was suffering from pancreatitis from past 12 years and I cannot explain what I am going through in my life from past 12 years. I was a movie director. I had left my film industry because of this pain and these things. And in my family they didn't supported me for these things because I have to leave my town to Bangalore. I have to shift there. They are not ready to leave me. And this is the thing, when I watched some YouTube videos of Dr. Sir, S.M. Raju sir, then I got a confidence because frankly speaking with you people, I was not ready to come here. Because of my father forceness I came here. Totally we are going for the Narayan Hrudayalaya morning, and when my daddy had been showed these YouTube videos of Sir S.M. Raju sir, I got somewhat confident on that, and after that I told in the room that we have to meet the sir and after that we'll go for Narayan Hrudayalaya for the surgery. While I came here because of his conversation of Raju sir, I had been thoroughly going with his words that he given me the confidence for the 30 days. Most probably he was given me 90 days, but right now in 30 days I'm feeling I'm the king of the world because what's the feel I'm getting, you people, you don't know what I'm suffered from 12 years, past 12 years. The pain, I can't bear the pain. I don't have any bad habits like having a wine, alcoholic, cigarette, gutka, because I'm a foodie. Frankly speaking, you people, that I used to have a foodie, I'm a foodie people. I'm a foodie man because I used to have some junk food like oily food, these things. But I don't know what is going in my life. When I came here, I feel thoroughly good. And I can give him and you people in 90 days, I will be the star of my body. Thank you everyone. Kindly please do visit once here.
Yeah, you tell me before taking the medications how you were.
While I came here, I was like a TB patient, to be frankly speaking with you people. I was like TB patient. I didn't get this type of energy. What I'm talking to you people right now, I was not this type of energy. When I came, I met, now I'm seeing the S.M. Raju sir, I feel like a Shah Rukh Khan. That's the energy I came here. And kindly, I request you people, kindly do please visit once this hospital with miracle drinks. And I tell you, you will get a miracle.
Yeah, and further you tell me, after taking the treatment, in how many days you have seen the changes?
I think within span of, sir said me within of 3 days, but I thoroughly give 8 to 10 days. Once I got light the pain, and just remember to the summary ma'am, who is she is a technician and some dietitian. After that 4 days, I got some little bit of 5% of pain in life. After that 4 days, I got cured.
Okay.
And the
So now,
energy.
now you tell me, for the last 12 years you are having this,
Yeah.
pain, and you are, having a lot of,
Yeah.
uneasiness.
Yeah.
Now, what percentage of that healing
I think
you are
I
seeing
came around 65%, sir.
now?
Yes, I
Six.
got I got good energy.
Ah.
I got energy to work, to got up. I used to got up on 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. Right now I'm getting on 5, 5:30. I'm getting fresh up and taking the drinks and going to the walk and playing some sports and coming back to the home. It is a
Okay.
good lifestyle.
Then
I've been changed.
whatever the blood reports, any changes in blood
Blood
report?
report, I am invisible. I can tell you, because my the lipase was the 216, and today I'm very happy. This is a 16. Where is the 216 and 16? I got
In
the
1
lipase.
month?
Yes, within a span of 30 days.
And what about
MLS,
amylase?
MLS also decreased to 26.
How much it was
It
earlier?
was the something 150, 170.
Just
And
1 month.
Yes, yes.
That means
within
you
the-
have followed religiously.
Yes, yes, regularly with the guidance of you and the technician people and the dietitian people who had guided me up thoroughly, and they had been touched between weeks later what's going on. What
Wonderful.
blood reports.
Great,
Thank
great.
you, sir.
See, now you are the angel to the entire universe.
Array, sir. Thank
See,
you.
I am
Thank
telling
sir.
you, because there is no science in the world to activate exocrine gland.
Yes. One of my cousin brother, he's Dr. MD. He said, "This is the LIC. This is like a life insurance. Zindagi ke saath bhi aur zindagi ke baad bhi." I was fed of that. I got the angry. I cried a lot.
He is a true also, because
Yes.
there is no science in the world.
I cried
What
a
he has
lot.
stated is correct.
I cried a lot, sir, in home, and literally I am telling you in front of you now. I didn't tell to my dad and my mom. I was supposed to go and suicide. I was tried.
This was told by one lady also
I
recently.
was tried to supposed to suicide. I was
Because of the
attempted
pain.
for one time, but I didn't got because of my father and my mother and my sister and my brother. I saw him and their faces. Then I cannot tell you, sir, what I'm going,
Greatly.
what I came here.
I'm so proud and happy to see you. Thank you very much. Thank you. To learn more about the treatment protocols for this disease and to get in touch with our doctors, click the link below in the description to access the complete diet and treatment plan tailored to this specific disease. Thank you.